Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today we want to talk about Bitcoin and its potential to run up to $80,000. We're going to give you a Bitcoin price prediction update in the market. So far, you guys can see off of my price chart that the market in Bitcoin has gone to our ultimate TP price right here on September the 23rd. We did this price prediction on the 17th of September, so very good, 8.15% right there. Now, before I get started into this 80,000 price prediction, see if it's logical, probable, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you share the video, subscribe here as well to get more of this wonderful content, because you're not going to get this anywhere else. We're the only place that is dropping actual predictions as to where we suspect, our opinion as to where we think market is trying to go. So if you guys want to learn more, again, make sure you guys follow me. All right, so now, real quick, let's go ahead and get rid of this sell zone here. You guys can see currently in Bitcoin that the market is getting rejected on this next sell zone, which is around $65,000, which is expected. We saw that when we created this first sell zone here back in August. The market in Bitcoin fell down, but what's different this time? What is different in Bitcoin from August to September? What's going on here? Can you see a difference? Because there is a difference, and the difference is, well, the market buyers are absorbing the selling this go around that they really didn't do back in August. They didn't do it in August, but now you can see, well, they're becoming more acceptive of price slightly below that sell zone, which is a good indication for us to expect continuational movement higher. Now, $80,000 in Bitcoin is all the way up here near all-time highs, right? Here it is trading at $63,662. That is about 25% away. 26% away. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick on the 3 months chart. Okay, because in order for us to really try to drop a price prediction, look for Bitcoin to run to $80,000, we need to look at it on the longer term chart. So this is Bitcoin on 3 months. We have 5 more days, 14 hours left on the conclusion of this bar. It'll be fantastic in the next 5 days and 14 hours to see the market close up here at the high of this 3 month price bar. That would be great, because if that's the case, then that would take the market in Bitcoin up to $70,000. Then we're only $10,000 away from hitting 80,000. So let's give it 5 more days, 14 hours, but we definitely would like to see that. That would be a great indication, great confirmation that the market is definitely looking for all-time highs. Here it is on the 6 months, pretty much the same thing. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 12. Okay, so here's Bitcoin on the 12 months. Do one more look at on 7. Okay, so here it is on the 7 month chart. Again, it looks as if the market is still aiming for higher prices. But for it to run to 80,000, I want to see this particular 3 month price bar close at the high of the bar. But generally, what we see here on the 3 months isn't that bad neither. It's not that bad. Specifically, right here on this 3 months bar, it was weakness. The current 3 months, it did go down in price, but we can see buyers stepping in. The buyers in Bitcoin stepped in around 50,000 and even around $54,000. Again, another good indication that price is aiming for higher levels. That's it. So $80,000, yes, logical, probable, basically off of the long-term charts, i.e. the monthly chart, the 3 months, and the 7. I like this current month right now in September for Bitcoin as well. So we may even test probably at the end of 2024. We might even test Bitcoin hitting or nearing these all-time highs, because this current monthly bar is definitely bullish too. But again, we got 5 days, 14 hours, so I can't put that into the atmosphere until conclusion, until that monthly price bar prints. But it looks pretty good though. Now here's Bitcoin on the weekly. Look what we did last week into the market in Bitcoin. Again, market currently looks bullish. You can see here on the weekly chart that overall this market is just merely consolidating. Again, you like to see that when you're expecting higher prices in Bitcoin. Here it is on the 2. The 2 weekly chart is massively bullish. I don't care what anyone says. If we're able to see price in Bitcoin break this sell zone that is currently trading at right now, oh yeah, I'm looking for the market to hit that next sell zone, 68,000, maybe all the way up there towards $70,000. And even breaking this downtrend line that's drawn on my chart. That's very bullish right there on the 2 weeks. Even here on the 3. Give me 4 days, 14 hours. If the market in Bitcoin closes up here at the high of the bar like it is right now, our expectation is still for higher prices. Simple, right? So now that's pretty much what we need to do. We can run to the daily time frame, but I'm looking for higher prices just off of the 2 weeks and the 3 weeks chart. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we want to see if we can create more buy zones, because look, there may be a buy zone right around here. So let's go ahead and mark that. So you can see here that we are creating more and more buy zones rather than us having sell zones. So as price continues to progress higher, we'll get rid of these sell zones and add more buy zones, which shows you just a visual depiction of who's actually controlling the price. So it looks like the buyers are currently controlling the price in Bitcoin. Yeah, the 4-day chart looks pretty bullish too. Here it is on the 3, 2, and 1. So I'm looking for higher prices. So let me drop this over to today. And this is going to be our first target right here on the low of the sell zone, which is 7.25%, around 68,250. Our second target is going to be up there around $68,900, which is around 9.82%. We'll leave it at that. Okay. Because I definitely want us to see the buyers break this sell zone first, and then this this descending line on the chart. I want to see that happen first. So we'll drop this price prediction right now into the market for Bitcoin. This is our expectation as to what we suspect the market is up to, what it's trying to do. And definitely in the long term, the price action in Bitcoin looks highly probable that it wants to go higher than it does trying to go down. All right, so that's it. I'm finished. You guys can go ahead and drop your price prediction in the comment section of the video. Let us know which of your price prediction do you think is going to fare out by the end of 2024. Do you think Bitcoin is going to hit $20,000? I mean, not $20,000, but $80,000. If so, let me know. All right, make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.